In this video, I'm going to show you how to add refund policy on Wix. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to manage.wix.com, and you'll be redirected to your dashboard for managing your websites. So right now we want to actually edit our site because we want to add the refund policy on Wix. So just click on the edit site, and that should redirect you to your website editor. So it might take a few seconds or maybe a few minutes depending on the internet speed that you have, but yeah, it's gonna be really fast. Just gonna prepare my site real quickly, and here the first thing that I want to do here is we want to actually add the application for refund policy on Wix, because when we go ahead and go to add section here, we won't see the section that says add a refund policy or refund policy as its section. We have to add the application to do that. So we want to go to the top right corner of your screen. That's where the search, that's just below the publish button there. Under search, you just want to type in refund policy, and here it's gonna load up an application that says privacy policy terms and more. So you want to open this up, and here in this application you'll notice that it's gonna provide us different policies on our website. So it's gonna ask a few information for you. You also need a Google account for this, so that the login process and the management for this application is gonna be really easy. So yeah, so for here, to add this application to your Wix website, you just need to click on the add site, but be aware that this is actually a paid application. So you need to have at least $9 a month to use this application. So if you haven't set up your payment method yet in Wix, make sure you set up that first. But once you're sure, just click on add site. I'm gonna show you a few details that they'll need from you to set this up. So first is you have to agree and add this to your Wix website. And next, it's gonna ask a few details here. So it's gonna say automatic legal solutions you can trust, create a perfect privacy policy, terms and use and more for Wix in minutes. So it's a really fast tool that you could use. So you want to scroll down a bit until you see the legal topics here and other stuff. So just go to the bar, kind of in the middle. Yeah, so just click on get started, but you could go ahead and read over those texts if you want to, just to be sure if you really want to. And here, like I mentioned before, you need a Google account, so just click on continue with Google. It's gonna pop up a new window. It's gonna ask for you to log in with your Google account, but if you're already signed in, it's gonna just show your account here and just continue with it. And here you just need to enter your name and your title. For example, I want to say I'm the CEO for this. So let's get start this. And from here, we have the different things that we could do on this UI. So now, for example, we want to add a legal topic. For example, we want to add a privacy policy for this, so just choose the privacy policy, and from here it's gonna ask you a few details, like for example the main URL of the website, what is the URL of this privacy policy, but you can skip this for now. You could there's other details, company's full legal name, what is the short name you use for the company. Here, will you provide help for the privacy policy by email, through or contact from or help page on your site. So if you want to use an email or a link, you can do that, but skip for now. And here we have the meeting address that users can send an opt-out request. So you could choose a state here, and here your full address and the zip code. Skip for this for now. Do you collect information directly from users? So it's gonna ask you that, so skip. Do you collect other information about users by yourself or third parties? So it's gonna ask you. So the next question, do you share any data outside the company? And next, do you store or process data only in the United States? Skip for now. Do you sell personal information? And you say data personally targeted by combining data from multiple websites. So there's a lot of questions that you need to answer here. Just make sure to answer those very truthfully as you can, as is gonna help you later on with your business. Once you've added all of these details here, you'll be successfully adding a refund policy on Wix. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.